Hey everyone, welcome back to CognitionChunks. This is the Cut-Elimination theorem, trimming the logical fat. Explaining proof theory. Note this is coming from a relative novice on this topic who is trying to learn about this topic from GPT. I am not a mathematician or an expert on this topic. A follow-up series to distinct types of math branches. Proof theory, a comprehensive guide. Imagine you're a detective. But instead of solving crimes, you're deciphering the inner workings of logic and mathematics. Welcome to the world of proof theory. This fascinating domain offers us the tools and methodologies to understand what exactly we mean when we say something is proven. What's at stake? Well, everything from secure internet transactions to fundamental questions about the nature of truth. Foundational concepts and definitions. You may wonder, what are the basic building blocks of this field? We'll start with formal systems, which are like the rulebooks of a game, defining what moves are allowed. Next up, we have axioms, the undisputed truths or starting points of our game. If formal systems are the rulebook, then inference rules are the strategies that guide you to win, or in this case, reach a valid conclusion. A proof, then, is your gameplay, a sequence of moves that takes you from start to finish, justifying every step of the way. But what's the endgame? That would be a theorem, a statement that you've shown to be true using your moves or inferences. To make it easier to follow your gameplay, we often use proof trees, visual representations that lay out your steps in a tree-like diagram. The robustness of the system, meaning it won't crumble into contradictions, is its consistency, and its ability to capture all truths within its rules is known as completeness. Fundamental theorems and methodologies. Ever heard of Gödel's incompleteness theorems? These theorems are like plot twists in our detective story, revealing that there are questions even the most robust systems can't answer. And the Cut-Elimination theorem? Think of it as a tool for streamlining your investigation, simplifying your line of reasoning without losing any rigor. Applications. And it's not all theoretical. From automated theorem proving that can outpace human mathematicians, to programming language semantics, which help your computer understand the software it runs, the applications of proof theory are everywhere. Cut-Elimination in sequent calculus, an in-depth look. Remember when we spoke about streamlining your investigations? Well, let's delve deeper into the art of cut-elimination. It's like editing a movie script, taking out all the unnecessary subplots to reveal the central narrative more clearly. Definitions and notations. When dealing with sequence, think of them as simplified court cases. The left-hand side presents evidence, while the right-hand side shows possible verdicts. The cut rule is like a legal shortcut, helpful but potentially misleading. Eliminating these cuts brings us to a cut-free proof, the cleanest, most straightforward representation of your argument. Steps to eliminate cuts. The key to effective cut elimination is meticulous planning. Analyze the structure to identify where your arguments might go astray. Then, approach case-by-case elimination like a puzzle, working methodically to eliminate the inconsistencies. Finally, you'll reach a normalized proof, a fine-tuned, well-oiled machine of logical reasoning. Philosophy of logic, a comprehensive exploration. Now, let's take a step back and ponder the why behind all this what. The philosophy of logic is our playground for some of the most intriguing questions that have baffled humanity for millennia. Is logic a universal truth or a human construct? What does it mean for something to be true? Core areas and questions. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop, debating with Aristotle, Freya, or Gödel about whether logic is universal or contextual. Or perhaps you're arguing with Wittgenstein about the nature of language and its logical foundations. These are the conversations that shape the philosophy of logic, and they don't just stay in the coffee shop. They find their way into AI ethics, scientific methodologies, and even our daily decision-making processes. Thank you for watching Cognition Chunks. If you found this wrap-up helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth explorations into the world of theoretical knowledge. Until next time, keep those cognitive gears turning. Was this accurate? Did GPT just make up a bunch of stuff that does not exist or does not make sense? Find out next time in the Cognition Chunks follow-up.